Wait. Hello? My Jedi training's been interrupted. But now that we have our rebel cookies for Santa complete, it's time to decorate our Christmas tree in order to have something for Santa to put our Star Wars gifts under. In our house after Thanksgiving dinner, our family and friends would come together to put up our Christmas tree and other Christmas decor. We would play the Four Tops Christmas album as we began to transform our home into a winter wonderland. What made the holidays extremely special to me was the ability to express my own creativity and passions while decorating the tree. Whether it was a homemade ornament or, as I got older, placing custom 3D printed ornaments on the tree, each holiday I would make at least one ornament. This holiday is no exception. So let's transform a few Star Wars characters into 3D printed holiday ornaments. In order to bring our Star Wars ornaments to reality, we're going to reference our Lion King Nala Mask project and get started using Autodesk Fusion 360 to create our initial sketch. First, let's import an image of the galaxy's most reliable droid that has ever inspired confidence the world over, R2-D2. Sorry, BB-8. You still have a few more decades before you can catch up to R2-D2. Using the sketch tool, we're going to create a 2D trace of R2-D2 using two sketching tools, including the line tool and the arc tool. Fortunately, R2-D2 is more straightforward to trace than BB-8. Once we've completed our sketch, we can either export our sketch as a DXF file or a 2D drawing in order to bring to life using our Cricut Maker to cut out our R2-D2 using paper, vinyl, felt, and cardboard, or we can extrude our sketch into a CAD model for our 3D printer to bring to life. While the force is strong with the Cricut, I believe in order to create the most robust ornaments, especially given who will be interacting with this Christmas tree, I'm going to go with the digital fabrication tool that shares R2-D2's name, our Dremel 3D20. If you would like to still make your ornaments using a desktop cutting machine like the Cricut Maker or Express Air, we still show you how on our mLab Instructable for this project. Since we've chosen our 3D printer, let's prepare our R2-D2 CAD model. First, extrude, export, prepare the G-code, insert, and build. Now that we have our R2-D2 Christmas ornaments, let's add the finishing touches to our R2-D2 Christmas tree. Let's get our regular Christmas ornament hook through the special hole we've already made for this occasion. Find that special place on our Christmas tree. No, there. For our R2-D2 ornament, and perfection. I'm actually gonna add one more right around here. But something's missing. Something's missing on the top of this tree. Fortunately, we have the perfect Christmas topper for our Christmas tree. A mini lightsaber Christmas topper. Are we just gonna place her right here? And perfection. Matter of fact, we not only made one for our R2-D2 Christmas tree, but we even made a larger one for our large-scale Christmas tree. There we go. And ta-da! If you would like to make your own lightsaber tree topper or other R2-D2 or Star Wars holiday ornaments, check out our mLab's Instructables guide.